Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make a collage on your Instagram story. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open the Instagram application. And once you've opened, you can just swipe to the right to go to the camera of Instagram. And as you can see, there are three options on the middle left of your screen. You can add text as your story. You can also create a boomerang, and there is this option such as layout. That is what we're looking for to create a collage. Let's go ahead and tap that one. And once you've tapped it, as you can see, this is the default option that is presented to you when you tap on the collage. But you can also choose from different collages by tapping on the bottom part of the collage option. Once you've tapped it, you will be presented with 5 options. There are collages that you can make, which is a default. There is 4, 2, 3, 2, or 6. It depends on how many pictures that you'd like to upload. But in this video, I'll only use this 2. And you have 2 options here. You can either input from your gallery, or you can take a live picture. You can switch from front or back camera to take a picture, but in this video I will only choose 2 from my gallery. As you can see, the first one has been added, and if you mistakenly chose a different picture, you can just delete that by tapping on it, and as you can see, you will be presented with that trash can icon, and tap on that. And to add again, you just go back to the gallery, then add the second one, and as you can see, the collage has been made. And after that, you can just press on the check. But if you want to edit, you can just tap to delete the photo or video, or press and hold to move it. But if you're done, you can just tap on the check. And just like your other stories, you can add text, stickers, music to the background, to whichever you like. And once done, you can just add this to your story. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.